7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Welcome to episode 5 of Armor Bradley Vlogs Food Cookery Tips. Today I'll be demonstrating how to show you how to make Rice Krispies for breakfast from fast scratch. And there you have it, Rice Krispies made from scratch. Well, thank you very much for watching, family lambs. Remember to hit that subscribe button today where I'm nodding to today because I haven't got any hands free, to follow my latest videos, even our Armor crew as well. Subscribe to them today in the channels. And that, yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm going to eat my Rice Krispies now, and the next episode is either wholemeal bread or Weetabix. I'm not quite sure yet, but episode 6 is the last in the series, family lambs. But who knows, there might be a new series next year. You just have to wait and see. Alright guys, I'm going to enjoy my Rice Krispies now. Peace out, my homies. You can see me. Delicious. Peace out, my homies.